nasusukat sa maagang pagyaman o pagsikat. May mga maliit tayong mga bagay na pwedeng gawin na may malaking epekto sa mga nakapaligid sa atin. Narin ang mga teachers, artists, at maging mga financial advisors tulad na lamang ni Aisel Uy. Let's hear her magandang araw para tumulong story.
I used to work with a multinational firm, and when I settled down and had kids, I decided to be a full-time mom. After a while, I started looking for other career or business opportunities and joined Insular Life as a financial advisor. What I like about this job is that I own my time and I don't sacrifice my duties as a mom. Plus, nakakatulong ako sa ibang tao by giving quality advice. It also has something to do with my personal advancement since I am able to contribute to society by teaching them about savings, investment, and their future needs. With that, I would like to invite you to join our ever-growing family in making every day a magandang araw para sa magandang buhay bukas.
O, na-inspire ba kayo sa kwento ni Aisel? Remember, you don't have to do anything extraordinary. Just do something ordinary, extraordinarily well. If you want to create the life that you want, visit www.joininsular.com.ph. Insular Life. Magandang araw ngayon, magandang buhay bukas.
Ang bahaging ito ay inihatid sa inyo ng Insular Life. It's about the small things in life that can make a day beautiful. Like waking up next to the man I love, seeing my daughter smile, pursuing my passion, greeting a new day. I'm thankful I can make each day beautiful so I can face whatever life throws at me in the future. Dahil sigurado, kung maganda ang araw ko ngayon, maganda rin ang buhay bukas. Sa Insular Life, magandang araw ngayon, magandang buhay bukas.